Hello friends, this is Sandy Vaughn again for another update. I always seem to videotape on a windy day. Please excuse the sound of the wind. Okay, today I'm going to highlight this pot right here that I got at Kroger's. And I have a palm tree in it that I got at a local farmer's market. And those red vining flowers I end up putting here by the patio on each side of the hot tub. Again, I want to thank those who have been watching my videos and commenting, and please subscribe. And before I start on with my video, I want to say hi to my grandsons because I know they both watch my videos. They're 8 and 9 years old, Dawson and Cooper from Georgia. Hi, boys. Okay, here we go. I think the flowers look really good out here. They're still growing. And here's the palm tree. In this really pretty pot. And my Sega palm has new fronds growing. I love how they're really soft when they first come in. Now we recently got some much needed rain, as you can see as it's puddled here on the hot tub. My asparagus ferns. Okay, now we're going to walk over to the other side of the hot tub, or the other side of the house. Oh, this is so funny. I'm still not used to videotaping myself. I did put the Joseph's coat in the ground. One here, and all the lilac flowers are doing very well. Now, for some reason, my hydrangea on this side of the air conditioner blooms in pink and purple, and the one on the other side is always blue. I know it has something to do with the pH of the soil. So that looks really good. Pretty blue flowers. And a couple purple ones. Hostas are getting bigger. Impatiens are doing good, as is the lantana. I'm going to back up. Okay, that'll do it. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.